Namaskaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will be going to Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore. So I am finally on my way to Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore and this is finally happening. I took a train from Delhi to Coimbatore and it was about 45 hours long. Sleeper class is fun in the sense that there's always something going on. Like there's fights, there's drama, there's music, there's vendors. So I have arrived at the station and now I'm waiting for the taxi Anna to come and pick me up to take me to the Isha Yoga Center. I took a taxi from the railway station to Isha and it was about 1 hour long. The taxi Anna stopped so we can have some food before we arrive. And it was delicious. So basically right now what you have to do is that if you go volunteer, if you go visit the ashram, you have to quarantine for 4 days. And so basically I spent my Diwali and my birthday in Isha and it was really interesting actually. We were 3 girls, 3 akkas inside one room and it was really interesting to celebrate Diwali, with whatever we had. And there was special food, there was pasta and all tasty things for us at the ashram. And initially my plan was that I would be inside the ashram on my birthday, but then they extended our quarantine with 1 more day. So I had to spend my birthday inside the ashram as well. But it was really nice. We had delicious food. And now it was finally time to go explore the ashram and be a part of sevas. There's also pepper wine inside the ashram where you can get some snacks, coffee, chai. So that was also one of my favorite places to chill for a bit. And so right now I'm taking you to one of my favorite sevas. But can you guess where we're headed to? It's farming. So farming was really interesting and I did it for like 5-6 days where we did weeding and we planted banana saplings, we did red chili harvesting, and right now what you see is turmeric, the big leaves. And so we were doing weeding over this area. And this was my workplace for like 1 week-ish, maybe 1 day less. And another aspect of farming which I learned was so many red ants and mosquitoes. Red chili, so cute. First time ever harvesting at the farm. It's wonderful. And now we are headed towards Adiyogi. That's Nandi. That's Dhyanalinga. And these are my favorite munchkins at the ashram. Like every day I would visit the Goshala and play with these guys, and it was so much fun. Like every afternoon I had to be here. There's one who was like my absolutely favorite. I'll show you in 2 seconds. This one. And now we are headed towards my second favorite seva, which was gardening. And we were doing weeding at the homeschool area so that kids can come and play and there's no weeds around. So yeah, it was wonderful. I mean, it was sunny, really sunny, but still gorgeous. And being in the nature for like 11 to 5, like till 11 to 5 for 5 days does something to you for sure. It is called Prithvi Prem Seva. So this is the last day of staying at the ashram in Isha Yoga Center, and throughout the stay we were not allowed to but like visit Adi Yogi. So I just put my bag in the security counter before leaving. I'm like, okay, let's go visit Adi Yogi. And it feels like I am taking so much back home with me. Like, there's no doubt about my Shambhavi practice. It has been intensified while staying here, and just so many things I learned, because I've always lived at home. I've never lived a hostel kind of locker life. But here in the ashram, all the girls were staying in this big hall, and there was a locker room where we would get to know each other, make friends. And I think everything, just from meeting people to meditation to having delicious food to just everything, it was so wonderful. And I would highly recommend, if you are thinking of visiting the ashram, I would say try if you can do volunteering, because volunteering is full involvement. If the days do not permit, then at least visit this place. But if you have a little bit of time, come and volunteer and see what this is all about. So check him out. So special he is. And Dhyanalinga, oh my god, something else it is. You just go, sit there, close your eyes, and truly you are in some other place. Even Devi is also so intense
and so beautiful. Like the Devi Stuti that keeps going on, and just the whole atmosphere of Devi and Dhanalinga, they are so different from each other, and that is what you will like. You will feel the difference even with your eyes closed if you are at Devi or if you are at Dhanalinga. This is it, and this is the little experience that I could shoot at Isha Yoga Center. Everywhere else you cannot really shoot, but Adi Yogi, we got to see Adi Yogi. And yeah, I mean, if you are planning to come here, no doubt about it, just come. Try if you can do general volunteering, be a part of all the sevas that you can, and just be in this beautiful place that Sadhguru has created for all of us. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskaram. Bye bye.